So today we're here in Mosul, Iraq, a city that was occupied by ISIS for 4 years before it was taken back by the Iraqi army with coalition airstrikes to assist. You can see an old minaret here from a huge mosque. It was completely destroyed. UNESCO is now reconstructing it. You can see all the amazing reconstruction work. But today we're going to be touring the city, seeing the damage and also some of the hopeful rebuilding that's taking place here.
All this is new, obviously, here, guys.
So you can see all the new construction. This all used to be rubble just a few years ago, and they've built. Hello, hello. You can see the see the construction workers here. Hundreds of construction workers all around. Very impressive. They spent a lot of money and a lot of effort to rebuild this town. So it's very hopeful and exciting to see this.
Let's take the pictures very close to the wall.
Come up on a roof, you get a great view of the reconstruction process here. All the incredible work that's going on. You can see this is the old mosque and the old minaret from up here. They're trying to use as much of the original stones as possible, but a lot of them just got completely obliterated. And over here, you can see what a lot of the damage looks like. See more of the rebuilding here.
Yeah, squeeze in together if you want.
And we're going to take a group shot with some of the construction workers here.
Squeeze in a little bit.
So ISIS's last stronghold was in the historic old town. You can see kind of a beautiful old area that was almost completely destroyed. There's the mosque over there. And you can see some of the damage. We're going to be heading deeper in here.
Huh? Okay. Now you have to
Lemon or tea?
Lemon. Shukran. And as you can see, we're stopping for a traditional cafe for some tea. Kind of a cool old place. And right behind us is this bombed out, damaged area.
How else am I paying this? I can't trust you anymore.
So I got the lemon tea. It's really good. They put a lot of sugar in here. This is the traditional regular tea. It's also very good and very sweet. They add a lot of sugar in just about everything here.
Yeah, it's mostly in Cuba.
Actually, you're right.
So I'm not sure how this works.
This is mostly in Cuba, guys. This is we tried this in Baghdad. Now we have the Mosul edition.
Oh my god.
Say, can I have a photo?
Yeah.
They'll get crazy.
When you see them looking.
What?
Yummy.
Kind of a meat pie here.
Fan.
Ooh, wow. What's this called, Doug?
Cuba. Mostly in Cuba.
All right. It's actually very good.
The flat kind, it's a ball in a lot of the rest of Iraq, but they flatten here, and that's Mosul style.
It's actually very good. Wow. So behind me is a new monument to honor all the workers who have clearing all the rubble and building new buildings. Very different from the old Saddam era where they were all monuments to him. So you can see some of the destruction here. Just piles of rubble and a car that's been completely ripped apart. Wow. Just many buildings completely turned into complete rubble.
And I think it's not just those moments, it's like the danger.
Teaching the kids how to avoid touching unexploded ordinances and stuff. Yeah. It's crazy to think that happened right where we're standing.
Yeah. There's more.
Oh, wow.
So you'll see kind of marking, I can't read it, but it's something indicating that it's safe or it's been cleared from IEDs and bombs and whatever else.
Very good to know. Well, the destruction around here is even more intense. You can see just the blown out remnants of these, what must have been beautiful old buildings. You can see kind of the interiors of some of them. Kind of overwhelming destruction. Wow. So you can see some of the interiors are left almost intact, but completely crumbled around them. As you can just see inside these buildings, actually pretty solid construction to be able to survive, you know, tanks and guns and aerial bombardments. And behind me you can see all the bullet holes. They're just bullet holes riddled all around this area. Just some really brutal battles for years around this area. Hard to comprehend. You can see more of these buildings here. This bottom floors that have collapsed in. Wow, this was once a beautiful house. You can still see the interiors. Incredible upper floors up there. Really a remarkable experience to be here. So we've just met a group. They're putting up signs to warn people about the destruction danger of collapsing buildings here. You guys hear the signs they use.
Before maybe 6 months.
Oh, yeah. So here they see it written "safe" on the wall to say that they've cleared this of explosives. And you can see the deeper we go in here, the more intense the destruction becomes. Just. It's one thing to see pictures of it. It's another thing to see it in person, how big and immense this area is.
mean this side it's demi. Really? This side, exhale and keep with the white side.
And so our guide just told us the white side is the safe side, the red side is the danger side, meaning it hasn't been cleared, so to stay on this side. And so you can see they're saying don't go into buildings on either side because they haven't been swept for explosives, and they left a lot of explosives and booby traps around here. They've had to have explosive disposal teams come in and try to clear it out house by house.
The man he found is for
Wow, you can see just whole roofs blown out here. Wow. You can see how beautiful these interiors were.
yeah, inside.
God, it's so
Yeah.
yeah.
So you can see the construction and rebuilding they're doing here.
I'm walking there.
So much work to do that I don't even know where to begin, but they've been doing an amazing job. And you can see they show this for people and kids, what the different bombs and IEDs will look like, so they'll stay away from them. A lot of amazing work going on here. Reconstruction, bomb disposal. I've met so many friendly people and construction workers, and as devastated as this city is, there's definitely a lot of hope, and everyone seems happy and good spirits. Pretty incredible. Salam!
An or Nun
Yeah.
means Nasrani means Christian. So basically, they were putting that on their side, on their door means this property now belongs to the Islamic State,
Wow.
and they had to leave.
Do you remember that?
Exactly right.
How? Why?
This is someone's home.
يعني ماكو شركاتنا تجي تبني او شيء؟
احنا شركتنا هسه تأمن ويسكو يشتغلون يعملون.
بس نرجع على خليك بس.
So we've come out of the ruins of Mosul, and we're going to head to the more hopeful side. We're going to go to a market next, enjoy the energy of this beautiful city. Well, all kinds of fish. They're getting the fish there. Doesn't smell too bad actually, which is a plus. Fish right next to the food here. Wow, they got all kinds of great fish to eat. Wow. That looks really good. this very vibrant, very exciting market. See, everybody's out today. It's a beautiful day. It's a little cold here. Should have brought my jacket, but I'll survive. Heading in to get something to eat. Hello. Thank you.
اوكي 2 مرة واحد بليتين عايشين على عاش ايدك عاشي
It's basically shawarma, but they're adding like the bread and the soup and extra coconut and oil, which is that one, the darker one.
Moselian lunch. You rip up your bread and then go and there it is. And it is
So we've got this traditional Mosul lunch. Looks very good, smells very good. You eat it with your fingers here. So, wow.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard the Habib Airways Express flight to Erbil, Iraqi Kurdistan. We're going to be taking off from Mosul in just a few minutes here, and our flight time will be about an hour and a half with a quick stopover at a Kurdish checkpoint. But all things aside, we should have you on the ground in just about an hour and a half to 2 hours. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you so much for flying with Habib Airways.
Yeah! Well, we made it from Mosul to Erbil, the capital of Iraqi Kurdistan. This is the last night of our adventure. I'd like to thank my host, Doug Barnard. He's been a great guide, and if you want to come to Iraq, he has planning more tours. When's your next Iraqi tour?
It's October 5th. We just announced it today. So.
All right, so very excited. I highly recommend it. You know, honestly, there aren't that many options if you want to take a tour in Iraq. So,
but luckily, you picked the best one.
I did. This has been the adventure of a lifetime. So, Doug, I thank you. I'll leave his information down below, and so you can sign up. And that's going to be it for this tour. I am staying in Erbil a few more days, so there should be one more video coming up. So I'll see you then.
Thanks, Ed.
Thank you.